Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am very sorry about that I am coming back after a 6 or 7 month because I am working on my quality, content quality. So today I am going to show you how to create a powerful ad on your Facebook Meta. Uh, just a minute. If you don't know about Meta, Meta is a parent company of Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp. We connect all social accounts in one platform like Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp. So today I show you how to create a ad on your Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp as well. So don't waste our time. So let's start. Don't so if you don't know about the Meta is a parent company of Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp. In last years we run an ad in Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram different. But now we run a one ad on Meta, so the ad is appear in all platforms. So this video is very helpful to you run your ad regarding your business. So please don't skip it. It was watchful. It is a very helpful to run your ad. Whatever you are a small business or a high level business. So let's get started. Firstly, log in your Facebook account and navigate to the business side. If you don't have a business account, so make it. It is very easy. Now when you log in, so this window is appear. So click on your ads and then create ad. So now you have a several campaign objective like get more message, get more leads, promote your page, get more calls, get more website visitor. So now we have need to get more message. To click on get more message. So scroll down. Firstly, firstly you define your audience like which type of audience you need, like age of audience, like behavior of audience, interest, locations, etc. etc. Age, gender. So now I run an in Lahore. So I click in here and type Lahore. So click on here. So estimated audience size is 7.6 million to 8.9 million. So this is the audience in all over Pakistan, all over Lahore. So then you add your location, audience location. So click on your save audience like this. So when your location is done, so scroll down. This is a schedule and duration. For example, you start a ad on tomorrow. Start date and time, end date and time, and duration of the ad. For example, this is a start date. This is a start timing. This is a end date. Timing is same as well, and this is a duration. Like I you run your ad for a 1 day or a 7 days or a month. This is all up to you. So when you add all details here, so check your daily budget as well, because this is a budget. This is a per day budget. For example, I run a ad for maybe maybe 300 per day, or minimum is 300 or maximum is 30,000. This is all up to you. If so, when you select the budget, like I spend a 4,000 per day. So secondly, now you choose your ad format like post format or a video. So I show you. Yeah, this is a so so when you need a post, so click on your use a post. So you use your previous post as well. Like I publish on 15 May, so I use this post as well. Then if you not know, you choose a new one. So for this, select a media, click on upload button to easily access your file as well. So I need this one for example. I think this is a technical issue, so I choose this. I choose this. Leave it. Yeah. So choose and so this is your ad format. This is your ad format. Like address is appearing on first and this image. If you change your text, so you click on description and change as well. If you run one or two posts as well, so I upload one post, you need second post as well. So click on select media, and I need this one. So I easily click on it and select this one. So I run one ad, and the two pictures are shown in an ad like this. Yup. So after you done your all things, so you preview your ad on different devices as well. For example, like looking your ad on a mobile or looking like a ad on your laptop. So click on see all previews. This time taking. So yeah, so ad is shown on mobile is like this, or in desktop like this. So you change as well. So now you have done all your details as well. So scroll down. You need your credit card as well. Add payment method. If you don't know about add method, so I make a video in detail. So wait on it. I upload. I have maybe Friday night or Saturday. So watch and add a payment method on it. Now you add your pay add method. So click on this. Now your ad is in review. So if you found this video is helpful, so don't forget to like it, subscribe the channel to see the value video. So thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.